Good morning, guys. I hope you had your breakfast. Just get me some woo. Yeah, you have energy, right? Come on.
Yes.
I hope you just roamed around the exhibition, how the things were right now. Right? I hope you like the exhibition, right? So we have a very unique name for it. A to Z exhibition. It sounds a little. It's like A to Z means that you have all kind of textile materials over here. And we came up with a new material that is this. This is a model fabric. So this is a waterproof material. So I know there are a lot of companies that claim, that we make waterproof sweatshirts, t-shirts. But that is just silly claims, that's what I feel. Right? We have something that is robust. So this is something that you can wear for every meeting. Let me share one experience with you guys. When I started my journey in a corporate world, it was very difficult for me because I used to feel very underconfident. The way I dressed, having experience of that, the way you dress, it makes an impact on the people in front of you. Yes. It does, right? Yes, ma'am? Yes, exactly. For the first interview that you went, you always think about it a lot. What should I wear? I should look proper, corporate level, women and all that stuff, right? Exactly. This is something that makes you that. Okay? So this is something that we came up with. It is a model fabric. And let it be anything, any weather. You won't sweat in this. We have pads inside. So there was a new concept that we created. So we have also patented that. We have internal pads over here. So even if you sweat, all of the sweat gets absorbed in it, right? So you can hassle-free go anywhere you want, may it be any weather, you're perfect with it. Don't you feel great about it, ma'am?
Yes.
That's amazing, right? You're running for a meeting, you're late for it, doesn't matter. Just wear this, you're corporate ready for that look, isn't it?
Yeah.
I feel that's the best thing because I would just say some things for the competitors though. I just want to make an understatement that this fabric is something that it can also be restitched. So it may sound a little off, but the thing is even if it gets torn from any side, you can just come to us. And this is something that only we claim is this has a lifetime warranty. So if you purchase one cloth from us, we provide lifetime warranty to it. So even if it gets torn from anywhere, it would be stitched to such perfection that it would just look like brand new. And that's the USP that we hold, right? I just hope you love this thing. Will you guys sure that you purchase this thing?
Yeah, but what's the price of the jacket?
Yes, so we have different pricing for each of the material. So this one that I am wearing right now is a plain textile, that is a black one, and this starts from 5,000 rupees. Well, just to break down it for you guys, normally when you get jackets or blazers for yourself, they range on a higher side, right? But we made sure that we made it economical, right? So the journey is really simple for us. We started off with a very small company, right? I got an idea from my mom that she stitches beautiful clothes, and it was one day that she stitched a very simple blazer for me. And not kidding, this is the same blazer that I'm wearing right now. So every time I go for a meeting, that's an emotional touch for me. But I just hope you guys enjoyed this. And there are a lot of other things in this exhibition, like sweatpants, all of the corporate look. It's ready for you guys. So hope you enjoy the exhibition and do check out all of the stores. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.